Years of excavation work at Shwéwé No. 1 tomb, a high-profile tomb on the छंगھाई-Tibet plateau, has uncovered many mysteries. Archaeologists believe that the craftsmanship and design of some burial objects of the Shwéwé No. 1 tomb have Central and West Asian ethnic features, indicating the area used to be a pivotal hub on the ancient Silk Road.
我们这个发掘其实就证实了丝绸之路孙海道提供的考古学的证据。
Over 1,000 artifacts including silk pieces, and various gold and silver wares were unearthed from the tomb, which is part of the Rishwé tomb cluster in Dulan County. Among the relics, a sliver emblem verified that the owner of the tomb was a Tuyuhun king.
墓主人的身份是学术界争论了40年的问题，所以其实我们也是带着这个问题来做这个墓葬。
In 2021, the Shwéwé No. 1 tomb was listed in China's top 10 archaeological finds.
2018雪卫号墓是热水墓群乃至青藏高原上发现的布局最完整、结构最清晰、形制最复杂的高等级墓葬之一。该墓的发掘对研究丝绸之路、交通史、物质文化交流史等相关问题具有重要价值。
The Shwéwé No. 1 tomb evacuation site is now handed over to Dulan County, and will be opened to the public after further preservation work.